Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we'll talk about the get messages show skip message. Let's head over to our get. So Salesforce integration, set get, and I'm gonna head over to messages and select the show skip message. So let's just change this a little bit. Account get has more than one and was skipped. And what will trigger this is if in your condition you say if multiple matches found, then just skip. Instead of all first or last, you're just going to skip it. So we're going to apply this and save the form. And once I'll run this, then we can see the skip message account get has more than one and was skipped because I just called all the accounts and did not put any conditions on it.